Hi everybody and welcome back to the She Shed. It's a sunny day here in October. It's freezing but it's sunny, which is sort of like my favourite weather when it's cosy and sunny, and yeah. I'm afraid I'm going to do another chatty vlog this week because this week there's so much going on, just with family stuff and appointments, and I'm here, there and everywhere. Mum is away for a short break with my dad for a few days, so my usual days that she's helping out, she can't this week. So basically I'm having to cram everything in that I need to do for an entire week today. So I need to film at the same time as doing everything else. So I thought the only way I can do that for this week's video is if I just did a little vlog about all the things that I'm doing. So the first thing I've just done is I've taken some promo pictures for my social media and Instagram account, because this week I am launching my next online workshop. So I'm not doing it through Vimeo. I am trialing using YouTube as my hosting platform because it's so accessible to everyone, but with a private workshop that only you can access once you've paid for it, with PDF worksheets to go alongside it. So this is sort of what I wanted to do previously, but because I had no experience, I used the Vimeo platform, which obviously is incredible, but obviously it takes a little bit more admin from the customer, which is but I'm really happy with Vimeo. I think for the workshops that I've got up there at the moment, which are really long, lengthy workshops, it really works. But what I want to do moving forward is shorter, segmented skills videos instead of these longer workshops, so I can bring you more specific skill-based teaching rather than a broader lesson. And then you can refer back to them again and again and again when you need to. So the next workshop coming out this week is a perfect applique. So it's one of the requested things that people have been asking for, and I used to do a lot of teaching it in the sewing school one-to-one, so I thought it was the perfect one to sort of dip my toe in, get back into the swing of things. So yeah, so that's going to be launched this week. I've got a mailing list that I've got to do today to share that, so by the time this video is up it would have already been released, so I'll put all the links down below if you want to check that out. It's accessible to everyone. It's just a digital links with digital downloads for the worksheet, so I would love it if you wanted to learn some applique. If you want to see what we're doing, I actually have my sample here that I made. So I've done two examples in the class. One is just a square and the other one is a heart shape. I've got all the templates included and everything on there, with links to other videos that can help you. So yeah, I'm excited to launch it now because I've definitely been procrastinating the last few months, not only because of the studio move and feeling quite overwhelmed by everything, because I have been overwhelmed by everything, but also getting into that whole self-promotion thing again has been really tricky for me. So I just want to launch this first workshop, and then I can carry on with all the other things that I wanted to do. So I'm hoping to get out another online workshop before Christmas, so that's my aim. And then I've got, oh, I just saw my neighbour on his roof. And then I've got my Patreon page. If you're interested in free motion embroidery, I've still got my Patreon page. Well, of course I've still got it. It's only just started. That's linked in the description as well if you're interested. So yeah, lots of exciting things to come, lots of exciting things happening, and I just need to crack on with them really. So the other things I've got to do today are, well, a little bit of tidying up. I need to just finish another promo picture. There's so many other things I need to be doing, but I'm here and I'm gonna crack on. Okay, so I think I've got all my jobs done from inside the shed. Taking pictures of all the fabrics that aren't online. I've done my promo stuff. I haven't tidied anything, but I'm really not in the mood for that right now. I went to go and tidy something and I was like, I've got too much to do. This is a waste of time. So I'm going to head back inside. Oh, I've got hiccups now. So I'm going to head back inside because I don't actually have any internet or anything down here. And I was thinking of getting it, but then I decided that I didn't want it because it meant that I could come down here and like switch off and just concentrate on sewing. And then I only do my computer stuff and my admin stuff in the office in the house. So it sort of keeps it like separate, and then I can be more creative down here, I feel. Like, oh, I just hit myself in the face. I'm very tired. Right. So yeah, I've done fabrics. Is there anything else I needed to do down here? There's nothing else on my list, but you know, like sometimes you don't write things on your list, then you're like, damn it, I should have done that. No, there's nothing there. Okay, I think we're safe. I'm gonna go in the office. Okay, this probably is the most boring video ever, but I have just been sat on my computer and I'm still not finished, but it's almost time that little man will be back with his nana, so I need to go prep lunch and everything. So sorry for the really boring vlog, but there's lots more other work that I'm working really hard on at the moment, so please forgive me. If you did enjoy it, give the video a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions for me, anything about the online workshops or stuff coming up, or if you've got something specific that you'd love to learn that you want me to film, then please let me know. And I'm hoping that next week will work out much better and I'll be able to bring you some more tutorials next week, so there will be more coming, don't worry. So I will see you next week for another video. Happy handmade, everyone.